Welcome to my YouTube channel AI Movie Maker Review. Create ultra-realistic 8K cinematic movies with AI. This software promises to generate ultra-realistic 8K visuals, impressive soundscapes, and sophisticated storytelling elements, all crafted by artificial intelligence. AI Movie Maker is an AI-powered film production tool designed to create ultra-realistic cinematic experiences with minimal manual input. It caters to creators looking for high-quality visuals without needing a large budget or complex filming equipment. By leveraging AI technology, it's now possible to generate movies with 8K resolution, complete with dynamic environments, lifelike characters, and detailed visual effects that rival those of blockbuster films. This tool is intended to democratize film production, allowing anyone with a vision to bring their story to life. Whether it's a short film, a feature-length movie, or a high-quality advertisement, AI Movie Maker aims to deliver professional results with little technical expertise required. Key features of AI Movie Maker. 1. Ultra-realistic 8K video rendering. AI Movie Maker's biggest selling point is its ability to render movies in ultra-high-definition 8K resolution. The tool uses machine learning to generate realistic lighting, textures, and motion, creating visuals that can sometimes blur the line between virtual and reality. 2. Lifelike character generation. With AI-powered character creation, users can generate characters with highly realistic facial expressions, body movements, and unique personalities. The AI can create both live-action and animated character styles, providing flexibility depending on the aesthetic of the project. 3. Intelligent scene generation. Users can describe the scene they want to create, and the AI will build a 3D environment complete with weather effects, lighting setups, and background details. Whether it's a bustling cityscape, a quiet countryside, or a post-apocalyptic wasteland, the AI is capable of creating a detailed setting in minutes. 4. Automated cinematic effects. AI Movie Maker includes advanced cinematic effects, including depth of field, motion blur, and lens flares. These are automatically optimized for each shot, allowing even amateur filmmakers to achieve a professional look. 5. Scriptwriting assistance and storyboarding. The AI includes a scriptwriting tool that can assist with dialogue and narrative structure, and it can even suggest alternative scenes or twists to enhance the story. Once the script is ready, AI Movie Maker generates a storyboard to help visualize each scene, saving time on pre-production planning. 6. Integrated sound design. The software can generate background music, sound effects, and ambient noises based on the context of each scene. The AI adjusts audio levels and cues dynamically, ensuring an immersive auditory experience that matches the visuals. 7. Voiceover and dialogue generation. With high-quality voice synthesis, AI Movie Maker can generate realistic voiceovers and character dialogues in various languages and accents. The voice modulation is sophisticated enough to convey different emotions, adding depth to character interactions. 8. Editing and post-production tools.